Alright folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2015 Dodge Charger 3.6 liter engine rear wheel drive vehicle. Original bright white from factory. Vehicle does have some scratches on the front driver's side bumper cover, as you guys can see. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks. Vehicle does have 75, let's round that up to 76,000 miles and only 298 idle hours. This was a former probation department vehicle, folks, not a patrol unit. Very well taken care of, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape to go anywhere, folks. Vehicle has been fully serviced. All PM services have been done, and she needs no repairs, folks. The paint looks very sharp, very shiny. Under the sun, this vehicle is bright white. Once again, folks, this is going to be a 2016 Dodge Charger 3.6 liter engine. This is not a V8. This is the 3.6 liter engine. Very, very good on gas. I have been driving this vehicle around. I'm very happy with the MPG that I'm getting. Easy on my pocket. And yet, she is nice and strong. Even though she's a V6, she is nice and strong and she is fast, folks. All four steel wheels are nice and gloss black from factory. They did not need to be reconditioned. Vehicle does have a nice set of Goodyear RSA's Eagles. At my expense, those are going to be the 225 60/18, folks. Tires are new. My supplier happened to have a nice set of 225 60/18 for this vehicle right here, folks. I did pay the price and I went and got them. I'm super happy. And I'm actually excited on this one, folks. No push bars, no spotlight ever installed. Once again, this was a probation department vehicle, folks. I do have a nice little clear lights and listens in the front. They're not oxidated, they're not fogged up inside. They're actually nice and clean. The DLRs do work. Everything does work in the vehicle. As I told you earlier to you in the video, the vehicle does have scratches on the front driver's side bumper. Leaving these alone, these are actual scratches. I'm not sure what hit it. Something scratched this bumper. I don't know what it is. I'm leaving it the way it is. I'm leaving it alone. But if you're a customer that says, hey Mario, can you take care of that for me? I can, and you will pay my prices on it, and I need about 4 days to get it done. The shop is kind of busy right now, but I can go ahead and squeeze us in and make this vehicle perfect. No holes on the body whatsoever. No holes on the body. Vehicle does have two door dings. Door ding number one will be on the front bumper cover. Before I forget, folks, on the driver's side, right around here, there is a ding. There is a door ding. You can kind of see it right there. The vehicle is white, so it kind of hides, but I got to tell you, it's right here. It's about this big. All right. I'm not going to lie to you. What you see is what you're gonna get. Pretty straightforward, and you are gonna get it black and white. Folks, as you guys can see, the vehicle does have a petitioner cage inside. I decided to sell the car as is, so if you are looking for something that has a cage, if you are a security company or inmate transportation security company, I do have what you need here. If you are a private party and you are interested in buying this vehicle and you say, hey Mario, I don't like that cage, can you remove it? Yes, I can. I can go ahead and remove it, but I decided to leave it alone. Who knows, I might have a independent security company or a private contractor that might be interested in this vehicle here with the petitioner cage. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. You do have a vinyl leather type rear seat. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. All 4 door panels are in mint condition. The rear switch has been riveted in. Again, I do have the switches in my storage. So if I can leave it alone, or if you are a customer that wants the regular switches with the working windows, I do have them. They are OEM Mopar, and you're good to go. Rear door locks are actually working on this vehicle. Vinyl floor is in perfect condition, no tears, no rips. Driver's side seat is in perfect conditions, no tears, no rip. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there, folks. That's the cage. All right, folks, what you see is what you are gonna get. Once again, if you don't like the cage, I can always remove it. That's not a problem. Vehicle did come with 3 factory fobs with new, I did install new batteries. So 3 fobs, 3 new batteries. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Sorry, the video there was kind of blurry. I apologize, folks. Let me see if I can get this in here. There you go, 3 fobs. Sorry, I don't mean to blur the video, but it is what it is sometimes with these cameras. There you go. Pressure lights are up. Very nice and smooth. Folks, as you guys can see, the vehicle does have 75,000 miles, 293 idle hours. That's the number that you are looking for right there. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Stereo does work. Super cold air conditioner. The AC service was done. Air conditioner was serviced. I'm sorry, I'm making no sense today. Let's continue. Red LED, white LED does work. Vehicle does have working cruise control. Vehicle does have working factory Bluetooth on it, so you can go ahead and link up your phone and take phone calls through the phone through the stereo system. Everything does work. If I do forget something here in the video, folks, I will make sure I mention it on my eBay description. What you see here, vehicle does have a cup holder. It was integrated, so it's not going anywhere. What you see is what you're gonna get, okay? Let's go to the trunk. Vehicle does have a full spare tire kit. There you guys have it. 8 minutes already. Where did my last 7 minutes went? Oh my goodness. Everything does work. Once again, folks, this was not a patrol vehicle, so she is in very, very nice running condition, in great running condition and shape. If you can see past those scratches, folks, you got yourself a nice looking unit. Once again, if you don't like them, I can go ahead and have my body shop take care of those scratches for you, and you're gonna have yourself a whole new bumper, pretty much. Just get under the hood. No funny noises, no funny ticks, no funny clunks, no funny smells, no funny anything. Let me be quiet so you can hear the engine. Alright folks, starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have 6 Mopar OEM Champion Iranium spark plugs on this bad boy. Full synthetic 520. Oil service was done. Transmission was serviced as well, and I did go with the ATF Plus 4. Fluid and filter do not go aftermarket in these transmissions. They are strong, but you want to stay solid with OEM fluids and parts only. Vehicle does have a brand new cabin filter as well. Brakes on this vehicle were about 70% all around. Belt and tensioner appear to be in new condition, so they do not need replacement. Almost done. They do not need replacement, folks. She is fast, very quiet, nice and strong. And as always, I'm always in the way here for my neighbors. Once again, it is a gas saver. You know what? I do not know if this is going to be an E85, but let's just go double check. Not an E85. Yeah, regular unleaded fuel is what you want to have on this unit. Alright folks, if you are interested in this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call or text me for a faster response. My YouTube emails are not coming in, so please, if you see my number, just call me, text me. I'll be more than happy to talk to you. The price will be a little bit comfortable on this one due to the scratches in the front bumper. Okay, so I can go ahead and take care of you, and a little ding on the driver's side door. That is about it, folks. You guys have yourself a great weekend out there. God bless and take care. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. You guys take care, and again, God bless. Be safe out there.